How to fix camera in Infinix Note 30 5G. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to fix camera issues on the Infinix Note 30 5G, whether your camera is not opening, crashing, or showing a black screen. Let's fix it step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Reset the camera app settings. Open the camera app. Tap the gear icon on or settings menu. Scroll down and tap Restore Defaults or Reset the Settings. Confirm the action. This will refresh the camera configuration. Step 2. Clear camera app cache and data. Go to Settings, tap on Apps or App Management. Find and select Camera. Go to Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache and then Clear Data. Step 3. Check camera permissions. Still in App Settings, go to Permissions. Make sure the camera permission is enabled. Step 4. Restart your phone. Press and hold the power button. Select Restart. This simple step can fix temporary bugs. Step 5. Check for system updates. Go to Settings, scroll down to System and tap System Updates. Install any available updates. Step 6. Free up storage space. Delete unnecessary files or apps. Make sure there is enough storage available for the camera to work properly. And that's it. This was the quick tutorial on how to fix the camera on your Infinix Note 30 5G. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next time.